Compleat Lawyer. I looked up the meanings of both of these words. Complete means having all necessary or desired elements or skills. Lawyer means a person whose job is to guide and assist people in matters relating to the law. At the University of South Carolina School of Law, we also recognize that a complete lawyer makes significant contributions to the legal profession and exemplifies the highest standard of professional competence, ethics, and integrity. Stuart M. Andrews Jr. embodies both meanings of complete lawyer. He has the skills. He guides South Carolinians in matters relating to the law, and he has made significant contributions to the legal profession. I am thrilled that Stuart has been selected to receive the 2015 Compleat Lawyer Platinum Award. After all, I had the pleasure of nominating him and gaining additional insight into one of my favorite role models. My first interaction with Stuart was as a young attorney at Protection and Advocacy for People with Disabilities. P&A had been receiving increased calls from prisoners about inappropriate mental health care. Now, when a prisoner calls to tell you how bad health care is for another prisoner, that's big news. P&A was meeting with Stuart and his team to discuss pro bono assistance with this issue, and I was nervous. Meeting with a Nelson Mullins partner was a little intimidating, but knowing Stuart as I do now, I should have just been ready to work. A few years later, as the first executive director of the then fledgling South Carolina Access to Justice Commission, I had the privilege to work with him again and learned of Stuart's long history with the state's indigent and his passion for legal services. He served as the vice chair of the commission and chaired the commission's steering committee. In that capacity, we worked together to ensure meaningful access to justice to all South Carolinians, regardless of wealth or lack thereof. Stuart comes from a long line of attorneys, including his father, who passed away when Stuart was only 4, his uncle, who greatly influenced Stuart to become an attorney, as well as his brother Mark, sister-in-law Charlie, and his son Brooke, who received the 2007 Compleat Lawyer Bronze Award given to third-year students. And he is devoted to his family, his wife Arlene, his son Brooke, and his daughter Emily. For those of you who do not know Stuart's background, he is intensely faithful. Prior to law, he attended Princeton Theological Seminary, and from his faith, I attribute his effectiveness, his patience, his compassion, his commitment to service, and even his tenacity. Comes as no surprise to anyone that Stuart's list of accomplishments is indeed long. To highlight just a few, he received the 2009 Spencer Award from P&A, the Charles Dorsey Award from the National Legal Aid and Defender Association, and has been named a South Carolina Pro Bono Attorney of the Year. He also served as a member of President Clinton's transition team for the Legal Services Corporation. He served as the chair for many organizations, including South Carolina Legal Services, the South Carolina Board of Education, Columbia Academy, the South Carolina Access to Justice Task Force, the American Red Cross South Carolina Blood Services Region, the South Carolina Coalition Against the Death Penalty, and South Carolina Appleseed Legal Justice Center, where he was also a founding member. His service includes teaching health law as an adjunct professor at the School of Law, volunteering his time to make home improvements for folks in Salkehatchie, and working as the former executive director at South Carolina Legal Services. At Nelson Mullins, he founded the South Carolina Healthcare Group and designed and was the first coordinator of their in-house pro bono program. Congratulations, Stuart. You make the world brighter for all of us.